the Astra Microwave Products company stock ended with the counter closed in the green with a profit of 4.01% at rupees 122 on the NSE, despite the market deteriorate over 0.42%. Radhakishan Damani buys 1.03% stake in Astra Microwave Products. Share price jump 4%. In a BSE release, July 10, 2020, Astra Microwave Products said Damani brothers bought 8,96,387 shares of the company during the June quarter. Is investor and the owner of supermarket chain D-Mart Avenue Supermart, Radhakishan Damani bought 1.03% stake in defense sector player Astra Microwave Products in the June quarter of financial year 2021. Shares of Astra Microwave Products jumped 4.35% to close at rupees 122.25 on BSE. In a BSE release on July 10, Astra Microwave Products said Damani brothers bought 8,96,387 shares of the company during the June quarter. Damani did not have a stake in the company March quarter. Among the mutual fund, Sundaram Mutual Fund held 5.45%. ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund held 1.36% stake in the company. L&T Emerging Opportunities Fund held 1.33% stake in the company, respectively, till the end of June quarter. And finally, to avoid huge losses in the stock market, please ensure a strict stop loss. And thanks for your vote of confidence.